This is Bold Greetings die set from Altenew. This is a high-quality steel die set. This set of dies includes 3 greetings, hello, thank you, and hi, in a bold, geometric and streamlined script. Their large size is perfect for adding a statement greeting to your projects with any pattern paper of your choosing, and they will make your greetings unforgettable. You can use Altenew's colored cardstocks to match your sentiments to your card or scrapbooking project. All Altenew dies work beautifully with various die cutting machines available in the market. To find out more about the Bold Greetings die set from Altenew, its featured projects and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.